Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 127B. This is a piece of V-cushion bronze weather stripping is what this is. If you use your imagination, you can see why they call it V-cushion. And it's going to be very commonly seen on wood doors and wood frames, residential applications. Windows, this would work very well as a weather strip as well. Dimensionally, this item is, they say that it's 1 inch wide. It really comes up closer to 15/16. The height of the uncompressed V is about 5/16. Let's get an accurate read on that. Yeah, 0.34, so 11/30 seconds, something in that range. Just heavy on 5/16. It's going to compress down real nice for a typical sort of door installation. This is obviously just a 6-inch sample piece. Attaching this to the frame is going to be done via nails, and there's an attribute that you'll select for copper nails, and the nails are sold per ounce, so a little bit of thought is required when ordering. Let's use as an example, well, first of all, you get 65 nails per ounce approximately. Dorbin recommends 1.5-inch center on the nails. Using that formula, you'd have enough nails to do about 98 inches. Now, most people, almost everyone that I speak to, says that that's too close, and I agree. 4-inch, something in that range, maybe 5-inch, would be more appropriate for a center to center on a nail. So, if you were going to do a 3-foot by 6'8" door for a residential application, you'll have an attribute to select copper nails not required, copper nails required, and you're going to pick up an ounce if you were to say yes, required. So if you had one 3-foot by 6'8" door, you could order the one 3-foot piece with the nails. Now keep in mind you're going to have 65 nails, and then the other, let's say 80 inches, you may not want any nails for those at all, because you might say, yeah, 65 nails is enough to do my entire door. You might go with 2 ounces of nails. You might say no to the nails for the 3-foot piece, and then yes for the 2 80-inch pieces. Then you get 2 ounces of nails, and you'll have some left over, certainly. Where more thought really has to come into play is the calculation if you're doing 9 doors. Okay, you're really going to have to come with a lineal footage, determine how many nails you're going to get, and then be done with it. Or order all the bronze weather stripping without nails, and then type in Dorbin copper nail into the website, pull up the nail sold per ounce, and then order as many ounces, knowing that you'll get about 65 ounces nails per ounce. So that's a long way to determine what you need. It'd be easier if they just sold you included nails, based on whatever formula they deem is appropriate, and then be done with it. That's just not how it's done. This model is also available with tape, and I happen to have a piece of tape version here. It's identical, except that it's got a piece of self-adhesive tape. I'm not a fan of tape to hold this weather stripping on, because the only times I've seen this material successfully installed after decades is when it's held in with nails. I'm not sure what self-adhesive would look like 10 years down the road in terms of keeping the weather stripping right on, and plus, having to pull it off and replace it, that might be a chore to get all that old adhesive off your frame. Dorbin is a name synonymous with V-cushion weather stripping, spring bronze weather stripping for double hung windows made out of bronze, zinc. They can do some stainless and some aluminum style, especially in the V-cushion. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up their full-line catalog and review their offering of all that material, which is near the very end of the catalog. Any questions on the Dorbin 127B, V-cushion bronze weather strip, or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.